So I am on Navigators of the Seas. This is cabin 6683. So I am on Navigators of the Seas. This is cabin 6683. This is an interior cabin. As you can see, key card entry, and off the flip, I can tell you that this room is so nice. It's especially nice if you have more than one person in the cabin. It's enough for two, but baby, I'm on this mug solo dolo with some very good friends, and I'm celebrating my birthday today. So baby, this is my cabin. Okay. So of course, on the back of the door they have everything you need to know, safety things. As you can see, I'm loving this closet. Off the flip, doors open, walk-in closet. Okay, walk-in closet. Comfortably, two people could be in this like it's nothing. As you can see, these fold down. I already got my luggage in here, but comfortably two could be in here like it's nothing. Ample closet space. A walk-in closet, as you can see. I'm loving that. I am loving the closet. Okay, the closet is everything. So as you can see, there is a desk with 4 drawers on each side. You got the little trash can as normal, desk, vanity area. If you want to store things in there, you can. They got storage behind each mirror, as you can see that. They do have it where you can get internet. I believe it's $14.99 a day. Of course, there's the regular itinerary like you always get. They do have your key right outside the door. You get that when your bags will be at the door. Then up under here we have a refrigerator, which is a plus, so that's good to know. And then we have the TV. Of course, it swivels, which is a good thing. Like I said, this room could comfortably hold 2 with no problem. Then there is a sofa. This is not a sofa bed, but you know, if you don't want to be in your bed and you want to sit in your sofa, you can. Of course, there's a hook. Oh, I didn't drop that. Awesome. Okay, it's a somebody must have had that. It's a magnet. But this, of course, is I believe a queen size bed. And with me being solo dolo, I'm gonna sleep so good the next 3 days. But to kind of come around and show y'all, each nightstand also has drawers. There's of course the phone. There are no electrical plugs over here, but at a nightlight. But that's that. Mirror over the bed. This talks about if you want to get water and how much they charge. But overall, this room is bomb. Okay. Also, if you want to bring stuff and hook it up to the TV, I don't really foresee anybody being in a room, but this is this. Now, it is a little tight to get around that bed, but I ain't gonna do nothing but dive in. Oh, I'm about to dive in right into this bed at night. Here's another nightstand. So yeah, as you can see, the room, they did the layout of the room is really good. It's even enough in here to fit a sofa. Let's sit on this and see. The sofa feels really good. Like I said, if you don't want to be in your bed the whole time, you can sit over in this. Now let's show you all the bathroom. On the back of the door, you're gonna see 4 hooks. I really love the bathroom, the way everything ties together. This also opens, out of sight, out of mind concept. I love that. All your toiletries and stuff can go in the cabinet. Everything is nice. So they got the tissue, the trash can, tile step down. Here's the shower, sliding doors. We ain't gotta worry about that on nasty. Shower curtain. And I don't really know what that is. That might be a light. I don't know. But as always, like at all cruises, this comes off. They do have hair and body wash if you ain't bring your stuff. These are the floors. So yes, as you all can see, a really nice spacious room. Then they give you a full-length mirror. So I'm gonna show y'all again. There's also a peephole. Not like I'm tall enough to look out of it. I'm only 5'3", but there's a peephole. Again, light switch right there. Light switch right there. Of course, you can order breakfast, continental breakfast. It's $7.95 a room. Continental breakfast is complimentary. American breakfast, they charge $7.95. So continental breakfast includes of those things, and then American breakfast is that. I'm gonna show you all again. Closet is floor, ceiling to floor. It's walk-in, ample space for 2. But on this 39.5 trip, it's ample space for 1. Mirror behind there. Put your storage and stuff like that. Got 2 plugs right there. Here's the sofa and the bed. Okay, y'all, so I told you I really didn't plan on spending no money on her. I only put like $32, which is what I had in my purse. I brought like 100, but I didn't want to do that. But to my surprise, shout out to them for giving me a $50 credit. Thank you, baby. I'm getting, baby, shout out to that $50 credit. Your girl is getting litty in the motherfucking city tonight, okay? So y'all, I unpacked everything. Like I know it's only 3 days, but let me show y'all. When I say everything is unpacked, like everything is unpacked. It's my dress for formal, y'all. It's a Fashion Nova, baby. It's cute. I can't wait for y'all to see that with my little shoes. This is my little bit of clothes that I got. I had to make this my own, y'all. With my socks and the underwear and my bras. And then that little hook that was hanging from the ceiling, I just hung that in here and put my robe on it. And then just basically everything. Like I did not want to leave nothing out. So I hope y'all enjoyed this room tour, cabin 6683 on Navigator at the Seas. If you're coming on this ship, I highly recommend it. This is my first time traveling with Royal Caribbean. I've been on Carnival, Celebrity, and now Royal Caribbean. The room is really, really nice, as you can see. Crisp, everything ties together, the colors and everything. So again, go ahead, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. So, trying to get some good lighting. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified anytime I post. And I thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. Subscribe if you have not. Join the family. And then make sure you subscribe so you can check out these cruise vlogs that I'm going to be posting for this one as well as my other ones. And I will see y'all in my next video.